grew up here. I like to see the same faces. I at least know what challenges I'm gonna have with the faces that I know. And I know the customers. I mean, I've grown up with these people. We've all been together for a long time. I can tell you that there's probably not a challenge that I'm not gonna face, but clearly sometimes, things happen that you don't really expect, which is exactly what happened in December.
My name is Peter Wrench. I am the Senior Manager over Ohio Logistics and Customer Service.
Tia Moss, Customer Service Team Lead.
I am Michelle Davis, and I am the Director of Logistics and Customer Service for Nifco. The weekend of December 3rd, we had decided we were going to have our customers that would normally ship on Monday, they were going to ship on Saturday. So we had them all bring in trucks in. That way we could ship all that freight, and then on Monday we would really have a much better head start. And then the system went down at 12:05 p.m. and we couldn't ship anything.
It was just very chaotic. Our system was basically down for 5 days. Went from a paperless system back to a paper system. With not being able to ship, the impact to the customers was very dire. There was lots of expedites and there was potential of line down at customers.
It was rough. It felt like everything that you did every day wasn't working.
I mean, the team was working 12 plus hours. Even after you went home, there was still work to be done. It was never ending at that point.
The amount of stress had really gotten to me bad that day, and I don't know if I slammed my phone down or whatever I did. Michelle was still there, and she's like, all right, what's going on? And so we called a meeting the following day and
kind of all sat down and talked about, what are we gonna do? Are we all in this or are we not? I think everybody kind of went back and had that same conversation with their supervisors and their team leaders, and everybody was like, yeah, we're in this. And that was really a turning point. Like, I swear, if you look at the numbers from the day after that meeting for a week later, everything changed.
So one of our customers established a focus program for their suppliers, and they were just looking for processes or ideas that their supply base had come up with for improvement ideas. And we were targeted, obviously, because we had done nothing but improvement ideas for essentially 6 or 7 months at that point. We've gotten more support for the logistics side of things in the last year than we ever have.
So there wasn't one or two people that stepped up. It was everyone. The whole company stepped in different ways to be able to help and support. From the forklift driver to a supervisor to a team leader to a manager. Every single person had to take on more. I look back and I say, some of the people that I've worked with a long time stepped in and would call or text me and say, hey, I'm here. If you need something, I'm here. And it's just pride to be able to know that their commitment was there to support.